Hello students, this is the class 7, chapter number 2, fraction and rational number of math. So now students we discuss about the different type of fraction, and after that we try to solve exercise 2.1, 2.2, whatever the problems given. So before going to start, we should know about the fractions. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of numerators and denominators. So fraction is called numerator over denominator. This situation is called fraction, and different type of fractions here. So one by one we discuss here a little bit. First, like fraction. You know about like fraction. In like fraction, the denominator will be same. Just like as this is the example 1 over 7 and 3 over 7. So you see here the denominator are same. This is the 7 and here are also 7. So both the fractions, the denominator are same. So this is called like fraction. So students, you know about like fraction. In like fraction, the denominator are same. And we see unlike fraction. In unlike fraction, the denominator are different. As you see 1 over 9 and 1 over 13. So here you see this is the fraction. This is the fraction and this is the denominator in fraction 9, and in this fraction the denominator is 13. So here 9 and denominator here 13. So denominator are different. Then denominator are different, that is called unlike fraction, students. And now we see about the proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator remain always less than denominators. So as you see 1 over 4, 1 over 5 and 3 over 6. So here you see students, this is the denominators and the numerator is always less, and here is denominator 5 and this is also less to the denominators, and this is the denominators and numerator is also less. So in denominators, in proper fraction, the numerators is less than denominator. So this is the called proper fraction, students. And after that we discuss about improper fraction. In proper fraction, the denominator and numerators. So in improper fraction, the numerator is either increase or equal. As increase or equal to denominator. So this is called improper fraction, like as 7 over 7. So this is called improper fraction. Here denominator is 7 and numerator also 7, students. So let me see 9 over 3. This is also, you see, this is the denominator 3 and numerator is 9. So this is also called improper fraction. As you know about unit fraction. In unit fraction, the numerator should be 1. That is the unit fraction, student. You see, in unit fraction 1 over 7, 1 over 9, the numerator should be 1. That is called unit fraction. After that, student, you know about mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is called also improper fraction. As you see, in mixed fraction 14 over 9. So this is called improper fraction also. And when we get a whole number and fraction form, that is called mixed fraction. 9 one time, 9 1 is 9. After that 5 over 9. So this is the whole number 1, and after the form 5 over 9 is the fraction form. So this is also called mixed fraction. And after mixed fraction, we discuss about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, students, you know, as like as 1/2, and we see here 3/6. So the value of 3/6 should be the same of 1/2. So this is called equivalent fraction. You know, students, about the different kind of fraction, and fraction in lowest term, it means to say when you get any kind of fraction, so you should be implements this in the lowest term. As you see, this is 25/20. So you cannot write as is. You converted this as a lowest term, 5 5s and 5 4s. So you see 5/4, and you also convert in a mixed fraction 4 1s and 1/4. So this is called fraction in lowest term, students. And after clarification of different kind of fraction, student, we see exercise 2.1. Question number second multiplied. So here you see, students, part first of question number second, 8/6 multiplied 3/19. So students, in multiplied, you should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominators. So here you see 8/8 multiplied 3 and 6 multiplied 19. That means 8 3 are 24. And you can also cut 3 2 are 6 and 2 4 are, it means to say 4/19. You also multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator after you can made a calculation, students. So we can take second question, 3/7 multiply 7. Now students, I have told you about 3/3 multiplied 7, so you can take 1, and after that numerator to numerator multiplied 21 and 7 1 is 7. So you can make solution 7 3 is 21. So that is the answer. And after that we take question number third. So first you should question number first when we take. So made a simple form, 8 1/3 multiplied 2 1/7. So 3 8 24 125/3 multiply 7 2 14 115/7. So here you can make clarification. So 3 5 is 15, and after that 25 is 125, and here 7. So that is the answer, 125/7. So same this way, students, you can also made a solution here. And now we take question number third. How much is 6 times 5/12? So how much? So students, see here you see 6 times multiplied 5/12. It means to say 6 2 is 12 and 5/2. That is the answer of question number third. So students, here you see about the multiplication. So same this way you can see about the division of fraction. Now we take question number 4. Question number 4, now we take 3/7 of 49. It means to say 3/7 multiplied 49. So now 7 7 and 21 we get here. So student, you should know, you can make a solution and you can make cut in numerator and denominator, not in numerator to numerator and in denominator to denominator. When you can get a mark of equal to and the fraction are equal, so you can cut by numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So student, till then